Imagine looking up at the night sky, expecting the usual crackle and burst of fireworks. Instead, thousands of tiny drones take flight, lighting up the heavens with dazzling precision and creativity. Welcome to the future of celebrations in China, a spectacle where technology meets tradition and the results are simply breathtaking. Drone shows have become a phenomenon, redefining how we celebrate festivals, national holidays, and special events. These flying marvels are like pixels in a giant, dynamic canvas. Individually, they're tiny, but together they form stunning visuals. Dragons weaving through the stars, hearts beating in perfect rhythm, even a 3D recreation of landmarks like the Great Wall. It's a fusion of art and engineering that's mesmerizing to watch. But this isn't just about creating jaw-dropping visuals. China's adoption of drone shows signals a profound shift towards sustainability. Traditional fireworks, as iconic as they are, come with a hefty price. Air and noise pollution, hazardous chemical residues, and the risk of accidents. Drone shows eliminate all of that. They're quiet, reusable, and powered by clean energy. Instead of smoke and ash filling the air, we get pure, untainted wonder. And while a firework lasts a fleeting second, a drone show can unfold an entire narrative over minutes, telling stories in the sky that feel almost magical. What makes these shows even more fascinating is the technology behind them. Imagine programming thousands of drones to fly in perfect harmony, each one knowing exactly where to be and when to light up. It's a marvel of synchronization, achieved through advanced algorithms, GPS, and communication networks. Some drones are even equipped with AI to adjust mid-flight for wind or other variables, ensuring the performance remains flawless. This isn't just a trend confined to mega events in Beijing or Shanghai. Across smaller cities and towns, drone shows are replacing fireworks during Lunar New Year, weddings, and even company launches. They've captured the imagination of a generation that's looking for innovation but still cherishes tradition. In a way, drone shows don't replace fireworks. They elevate the concept of celebration to new heights. The most incredible part? These displays are still evolving. As drones become smaller, faster, and more advanced, the possibilities for storytelling grow exponentially. Imagine entire constellations forming and reforming above you, or interactive displays that respond to the audience below. China is at the forefront of this revolution, pushing the boundaries of what drone shows can achieve, and inspiring the world to rethink how we celebrate. So the next time you find yourself under a night sky illuminated by dancing lights, remember, you're not just witnessing a show, you're experiencing the future, a cleaner, greener, and infinitely more creative way to celebrate life's most special moments.